Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing Know Your Customer, that is KYC processes, in the financial sector, significantly enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Traditionally, KYC procedures have been time consuming and labor intensive, often leading to delays and errors. However, with the integration of AI and ML, financial institutions are now able to streamline these processes, ensuring better customer experiences and stronger regulatory compliance. As the financial services industry continues to evolve, the adoption of advanced technologies like the AI and ML is becoming increasingly crucial, particularly in processes that require both efficiency and security, such as KYC procedures. By automating complex verification tasks, these technologies can reduce human error, speed up customer onboarding, and provide a more robust defense against fraudulent activities. AI driven systems can instantly verify customer identities by analyzing documents and cross referencing them with multiple databases. This reduces the time required for manual verification and minimizes the risk of human error. Facial recognition powered by ML further enhances security by matching customer selfies with their official IDs. With this, AI and ML are reshaping KYC, reducing errors, and speeding up processes. AI and ML algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies, enabling more accurate risk assessments. This helps in detecting potential fraudulent activities and ensures that financial institutions can take preemptive measures. Continuous monitoring of customer transactions using AI allows for the real time detection of suspicious activities. This proactive approach helps in preventing financial crimes and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Automating KYC processes with AI and ML reduces the operational costs associated with manual verification and data management. The increased accuracy and speed of AI systems also lead to significant cost savings. AI ensures that KYC processes are in line with ever evolving regulatory requirements. ML algorithms can be updated to reflect the latest compliance standards, reducing the risk of non compliance penalties. Leveraging advanced technologies is to ensure robust fraud prevention. As the financial services continue to integrate advanced technologies, AI and ML are proving to be invaluable tools in enhancing the efficiency, security, and compliance of KYC processes. Let's look into today's headlines. Prime Minister led cabinet signals rupees 3,300 crore semiconductor unit in Gujarat. The Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has given its approval to the proposal of Kainos Semicon Private Limited to set up a semiconductor unit in Sanand in Gujarat with an investment of rupees 3,300 crore. The proposed unit under the India Semiconductor Mission, that is ISM, will produce nearly 60 lakh chips per day and will cater to a wide variety of applications which include segments such as industrial, automotive, electric vehicles, consumer electronics, telecom and mobile phones, etc. Google Play Store is developing a feature that can automatically open apps after installation. Google Play Store is reportedly developing a new feature which enhances the app installation experience. The feature, codenamed Auto Open, is set to automatically open apps on the Android smartphone once they are installed from the Play Store, eliminating the need for manually searching for them. This feature builds upon a recent update introduced by the platform that enables up to 3 simultaneous app downloads or updates. Apple to do away with USB-A ports on upcoming M4 powered Mac Mini. USB-A ports will soon disappear in Apple Mac Mini and will make way for USB-C ports. Reports also hint at a revamped design, making it the smallest Mac Mini. The next iteration of the Mac Mini, expected to launch in October 2024, is reported to include 5 USB-C ports. A similar development has been noticed with the upcoming Mac Pro and Mac Studio variants, which might also lose USB-A ports in favor of more USB-C ports. HP unveils new gaming laptops in collaboration with Nvidia. HP has introduced its latest budget gaming laptop, The Victus Special Edition, featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050A graphics card and a 12th Gen Intel Core processor. The 15.6-inch screen Victus Special Edition laptops are meant for students and are designed to handle tasks like gaming, work, and creativity. The new device will be available in multiple configurations. The dedicated NVIDIA GPUs with AI Tensor cores inside these HP Victus laptops help unlock captivating visuals and creative possibilities. MyGate enters the consumer electronics market with smart door locks. MyGate announces its entry into consumer electronics with the release of MyGate Locks, a line of smart door locks that combine home security and digital convenience. The MyGate locks are available in three models, that is Lock SE, Lock Plus and Lock Pro, and allows users to go entirely keyless and remotely regulate entry to their house. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Var India magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.